Core5 Instructional Model ensures that students have all the support they need when accessing the online activities. Demonstrating proficiency with a skill at the standard step allows students to move on in the programme and beyond with offline extension activities. However, if the students struggle, the task is scaffolded to provide guided practice, allowing students to focus on an area that they are struggling with. If students continue to make errors, Core5 provides direct, embedded teaching in the direct instruction mode to prevent repeated mistakes and reduce frustration. If a student struggles repeatedly on the online programme, they will be listed in the Needs Instruction tab, found in your class overview action plan. This lists all of the students currently struggling in the programme, along with the fully scripted Lexia Lesson Plan addressing that student's needs. These can be downloaded and shared among staff and include all the planning and resources needed to deliver the session. The Delivered button ensures that you are always up to date and the students are grouped according to activity to allow you to complete lessons in small groups. Keep in mind that Lexia lessons may not always be needed, as the student gets direct teaching and practice in the online programme. Individual student data can help get further information about a student's performance to help you decide when to step in with the Lexia Lesson Plan. Click on the student name and access their progress report from the top right of the student overview. This report details each attempt made on the activities in their current level in the programme. A diagonal line indicates that the student has mastered the activity the first time they accessed a unit and they have moved on to the next unit straight away. A flat line highlights that the student has not yet mastered the activity and has received additional support from the programme. If you see 3 or 4 dots in a row, this is no cause for concern, but you may wish to check in with the student over the shoulder during their next Lexia session. If you see 10 or more dots in a row, this may be an indication that there is a gap in the student's knowledge. It is at this point that you may want to take the student to one side and deliver the Lexia lesson.